Can you hear properly? Okay. So last day I have discussed about the exercise of acid, base and salt, right? What was on the last class? The exercise of the acid, base and salt, right? And we have completed this part also. Respond in the chat box. Respond in the chat box. Okay. Okay, so today I will start the next chapter, that is chapter 7. Chapter 7 name is weather, climate and adaptation of animal animals to climate. Okay. So, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. What are the main objectives of this chapter is that you have to know about the weather in detail, the climate and also what is adaptation with example. Example means here the different the birds and the animals are there which was discussed on last of the chapter. Yes, last of the chapter the video the discussion on the adaptation. Okay. So, first of all coming to the discussion of weather. Okay. So, just start with an example. When we are planning for a tour, you have this you have seen it in your introduction part. When we planning for a tour, then just for we are thinking about some hilly region, that is the Darjeeling or etc. or the Sikkim etc. Then we have to pack the dress materials according to the weather condition of that place. Okay. Because the weather is somehow different, the temperature, the parameters are somehow different. Okay. So, what are the parameters? You can tell the parameters. Can you tell the parameter? What are you doing, Hasibul? Yes, not in the class. The last video was uploaded on YouTube. Yes, not the sweater. Sweater is the dress materials, but with respect to which you have to pack the sweater, it is the temperature. Okay. So, first we get the temperature. Number 2, that means in nowadays when we planning to go for any work, go out for any work, we have to take the help of the umbrella. Okay. Or when we are riding by a bike, then we have to take the help of a raincoat. Okay. So, these are for the rainfall. So, temperature and rainfall. Another one is that suppose in nowadays you can feel a very the atmosphere is such that there is a highly humid atmosphere is nowadays, and for this reason we are feeling discomfort. Okay. So, what is that? It is the humidity. What is humidity? It is the amount of, it is the presence of water vapor in the air, and when the humidity is high, then we feel the lots of discomfort in air. Yes. Okay. So these are the parameters. So, temperature, rainfall, humidity. Another one is that some of you already have the chance to get the in the rainfall region, that is snowfall region. Okay. In the highly hilly region, and that is in the Uttarakhand or etc., you can see that here is the snowfall is also there in the winter season also. Okay. So, for this reason it is snowfall. Another one, in the ancient time, there you know that at that time the only transport medium was the water, and the sea water is used, and for that the wind speed, because the boats etc. are using the wind speed to cross a distance. Okay. And there was the techniques was there, and for this we have to require the wind speed. So, another one parameter is that wind speed. So, these are the parameters, these are the important parameters: temperature, rainfall, humidity, snowfall, wind speed, not winds, it is, yes, it is wind speed. So, with respect to these parameters, one compact word is given, and the compact word is that weather, where we have cultured all these parameters. Where we have cultured all these parameters, there was temperature, there is rainfall, there is humidity, there is snowfall, wind speed, etc. Okay. So, when these parameters, these are called elements of weather or the parameters of weather. When these parameters are cultured in compact form, that is mentioning everything in a record sheet or in a data form, then we call is at the weather report. Okay. So, just take a look of the chart given in your page number 68 in the right column, weather. In the chart, the weather. Okay, okay, it will be uploaded, no problem, Tanisha. Yes. So, just take a look of that chart. There you can see that the maximum, that is 16.1 degree centigrade, minimum 2.6 degree centigrade. Now, from this temperature range, you can just can consider that it is the temperature of a winter season, because in winter time the temperature is very minimum. It is the average temperature is 10 degree surrounding. The maximum temperature and the minimum temperature is given. The maximum temperature is at the afternoon, and the minimum temperature is at the dawn or in the morning, early morning. Okay. So, and the sunset, sunrise are also given, but these are not important parameter regarding to the weather. Next one is moonset and moonrise, also is there. Fog and mist. Fog and mist, that means the humidity. Fog, mist, that means which is the little droplets of water which is coming out from the air to the earth crust. Next one is that the humidity, that is 83% and 37%. Yes, what is weather report? It will be discussed. The weather report is the compact form of all these parameters, is called the weather report of that place, and it is for a particular day, because weather report is for 24 hours only. Next one. So, what is weather? It is the day to day condition. I have just mentioned that it is a 24-hour record. So, it is a day to day condition of the following parameters like the rainfall, the humidity, the wind speed, etc. of a place, of a particular place. So, how we have to define the temperature? It is the measure of its daily atmospheric condition it is the measure of daily atmospheric condition regarding temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. Weather parameters or elements of weather, elements of weather or weather parameter, elements of weather or weather parameter. What is this? So, just it is the rainfall, humidity, next the temperature, number 4 is wind speed, snowfall, etc. So, this is the definition of weather, this is the elements of weather or weather parameter. Okay. You may also write it down that it is the measure of the daily atmospheric condition regarding temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. Okay. Next one, elements of weather parameter, elements of weather or weather parameters, rainfall, humidity, temperature, wind speed and snowfall. Now, later on I will discuss one by one how they are recorded. There is a department of the government, that is meteorological department. The meteorological department of India, you have heard it. The meteorological department is take the record of that parameters, because they are responsible to represent the weather report. Okay. So, the meteorological department, there are different instruments to take the temperature of different region. Just for example, when we are giving a weather report with respect to West Bengal, then we have to collect the temperature from the different region where there is a contrast in the temperature. Okay. So, the contrast may be in the hilly region, there is a large contrast. In the western region, there is the dry atmosphere is there, humidity is very low, and in the southern region it is humid region, and in the eastern zone. So, there should be 4 different or 5 different regions from where we have to collect the data. Okay. And after that we have to make an average of that, and then we have to represent it in the correct format, and which is called as weather of that particular place. Okay. So, just weather, it is the measure of daily atmospheric condition regarding temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. What are the elements of parameter that rainfall, humidity, temperature, wind speed, snowfall. Okay. Now, I am rubbing this portion and coming to the next part. Yes, weather report will be there later on, it will come after this discussion, weather report. Okay. Now, coming to the how temperature is collected. Can you tell me anyone that how temperature is collected? What is the name of the instrument? Can you tell me about this? Yes, it is the maximum minimum thermometer, minimum, that is the thermometer. Thermometer is the instrument. Now, every thermometer have a maximum and minimum point. Now, thermometer is the instrument. Now, the thermometer, there is a bulb and there is a liquid is there inside the bulb which having very temperature, that means heat, it is responsible for the easy expansion of that. It is having the expansion coefficient, it having a good expansion coefficient, for example, the mercury having good expansion coefficient. So, temperature is recorded in the thermometer. Next one is the rainfall. Rainfall is collected by rain gauge. Next one, wind speed anemometer. And humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of, yes, what is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in a particular amount of, in a particular volume of air is called the humidity. So, humidity is the amount of water vapor present in a certain volume of air. Yes, it is also called moisture in air, and this is measured by hygroscope. Hygroscope is the instrument used to measure the humidity in air. So, this is rain gauge, anemometer, and then the humidity, that is hygroscope, and temperature, that is thermometer. Okay. So, these are the 4 different instruments. Now, how rain gauge is looking like, it is given in your book. It is just like a cylinder, cylindrical shape made up of glass, and nowadays it is also made up of plastics also, and in the mouth of it there is a funnel like shape. There is a funnel like shape which collects the rainfall from that region, and there is the mark is given in the wall of the container, and you can see that it is recorded in last 24 hours in West Bengal the 80 millimeters or 100 millimeters of rain. So, here the millimeters, the scale is measured in millimeter. Whose microphone is off? Whose microphone is on till now? You know already. No one microphone is on. Off the microphone so that no one get disturbed by that. Okay. So, we have come to know about the definition of weather, what are the parameters of weather, and what are the instruments used to measure the weather. Okay. So, This is, and also just take a look of the graph on page number 70. It is a graph representing the temperature of a week. It is the average temperature graph of an week, and it is recorded individually, that means day by day manner. Okay. Now, in the vertical axis it is the temperature, different temperatures, and in the horizontal axis it is the weekdays are taken. Okay. And with respect to the each weekdays, the maximum temperature is recorded, that is mentioned in the graph, and at last they are joined by the straight line to make a graph like that. Okay. So, if you have the supplied the average temperature of 7 days or 5 days, then you have to able to do the graph like that, and the line you can see that the parallel lines are equidistant from each another. Okay. The parallel lines are equidistant. So, if you have to draw, then you have to make some equidistance line which will be sufficient to record that or to represent your temperature. Okay. Now, the temperature is maximum and minimum thermometer I have already discussed. Okay. Okay. So, today up to this, next day I will start from that is the lower half from page number 17. Okay. Any problem up to this? Okay. So, bye everyone, meet you again in the next class. Till then, goodbye.